Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 6 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 6 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter exponents and square roots. The lessons we are going to cover are write multiplication expressions using exponents, advanced exponents. Then we'll start the new chapter that is fractions and mixed numbers. And the lesson is write fractions in lowest term. So let's just start with the first lesson that is write multiplication expressions using exponents. So let's just start with the first lesson. On grade 6 maths, chapter we're going to start with is exponents and square roots. And the lesson we're going to start with is the right multiplication expressions using exponents. So let's just start with the first example. Write the expression using exponent. So basically we have learned how to write from exponent form to expression one. Now we are going to learn how to write expression in the exponent form. Got it? So just look at the first example. You have 2 times 2. Got it? That means you have to use 2 is used as a factor 2 times. Got it? It would be 2 exponent 2 because 2 is multiplying 2 times. That means 2 is the base and 2 is the exponent because it is multiplying 2 times. Got it? The next example is 3 times 3 times 3. So here 3 is used as a factor how many times? As a factor 3 times because 3 is multiplying 3 times. Got it? So you need to do 3 as a base and 3 as a component, 3 as a exponent. Got it? Okay, the next one is 3 times 3. So here 3 is multiplying 2 times. That means you need to use 3 as a factor 2 times. Got it? So it would be 3 exponent 2. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, write the expression using an exponent. So how do we write this expression using an exponent? It would be 2 times 2. Got it? That means 2 is multiplying 2 times. Got it? So it would be 2 times 2. That means you have to write down 2 as a base as a factor of 2. Got it? So it will be 2 to the power of 2. 2 is the base and 2 is the exponent. Got it? So the correct option is 2 to the power of 2. Okay, the next one is 3 times 3. So how do we write this expression using an exponent? 3 times 3. So how do we write it? It would be, you have to write down 3 as a base factor of 2. Got it? So it would be 3 to the power of 2. Got it? Because 3 is multiplying 2 times. So it would be 3 to the power of 2. Got it? Okay, the next one is 3 times 3 times 3. So which is the correct option? 3 is multiplying 3 times. Got it? That means 3 is the base to the factor of 3. Got it? Because it is multiplying 3 times. So it would be 3 times 3 times 3. It is 3 to the power of 3. Got it? It would be 3 to the power of 3. That is option number 1. Write the expression using an exponent. So which is the correct option? 2 times 2 times 2. 2 is multiplying 3 times. So it would be 2 to the power of, yes, that would be 2 to the power of 3. 2 is multiplying 3 times. It would be 3. Okay, write the expression using an exponent. So which is the correct option? 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 is multiplying how many times? 4 times. Got it? So it would be 3 to the power of, yes, it is 3 to the power of 4 because 3 is the base and they are multiplying 4 times. So it would be 3 to the power of 4. Got it? Okay, we're done with the lesson. Let's just move on to the next lesson, that is advanced exponents. The last lesson of the chapter, that is advanced exponents. So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, evaluate, write your answer as a fraction or whole number without exponent. So it would be 1 over 7 exponent negative 3. So basically the negative 3 is the exponent of both the numerator and denominator. Got it? It would be 1 exponent negative 3 and 7 exponent negative 3. Got it? 1 exponent negative 3 is same. Got it? We can make 1 exponent negative 3 is 1. We can make this exponent positive. Got it? By shifting it from denominator from to numerator. Like we did for the negative exponent, we take the reciprocal. So it would be with the reciprocal, it would be it would be shifted from denominator to numerator. So it would be 7 exponent 3. 7 exponent 3 means you have to do 7 times 7 times 7. 7 times 7 is 49, and let's just do 49 times 7. 7 times 9 is 63, 3 and 6. 7 times 4 is 28, 29, 30, 134. It is 343. So basically the concept is we have already worked on the negative exponents, got it? So if the exponent is negative in the numerator, you can convert it into denominator. It would be then positive. Like for example, you have 2 exponent minus 2. You can write it as 1 over 2 exponent 2. It would be now positive. The reverse is also positive. If you have a negative exponent like this, you can shift it to the denominator. Got it? As I already explained, you have to reciprocal the term. This would be reciprocal like this, and this would be reciprocal like this. Got it? So what I did, we know that the negative 3 is the exponent of both numerator and denominator. So 1 exponent negative 3 is 1. 7 exponent negative 3. You have to write down the positive exponent. So shift from denominator to numerator. It would be then 7 exponent 3. Got it? You need to do 7 times 7 times 7. That would be 343. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, the next one is 1 exponent 1 over 7 exponent negative 1. 1 over 7 exponent negative 1. That means negative 1 is the exponent of both numerator and denominator. Got it? 1 exponent negative 1 is 1. Got it? And 7 exponent is 7 exponent negative 1. Just shift it from numerator to denominator. It would be then 7 exponent positive 1, or either it would be just 7. Got it? It would be just 7. So the correct option is 7. Got it? Okay, the next one is 1 over 3 exponent, 1 over 7 exponent negative 3. I think that's the same we did on tutorial. isn't it? One over 7 exponent negative 3, that means negative 3 is the exponent of both numerator and denominator. It would be like this. So 1 exponent negative 3 is 1. Got it? It doesn't matter what I say, the exponent of 1, the answer is 1. Now you need to move that 7 negative 7 3 to the denominator, so it would be 7 exponent 3. That means you need to do 7 times 7 times 7. 7 times 7 is 49, and 49 times 7 is 343. Got it? So the correct option is 343. Got it? Okay, the next one is 1 over 2 exponent negative 3. It would be 1 exponent negative 3 and 2 exponent negative 3. 1 exponent negative 3 is 1, and 2 exponent negative 3 make the exponent positive by shifting it from numerator to denominator. It would be then 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. So it would be 8. Got it? So the correct option is 8. Okay, 1 over 6 exponent negative 1. So which is the correct option? It would be 1 exponent negative 1 and 6 exponent negative 1. 1 exponent 1 is 1, and it would be 1 over 6 exponent negative 1. So just make the exponent positive. It would be 6 exponent positive 1, or it is 6. Yes, it is 6. Very good, everyone. So let's just select the correct option. 1 over 5 exponent negative 3. So which is the correct option? One over 5 exponent negative 3. So that means the negative 3 is the exponent of both numerator and denominator. It would be 1 exponent negative 3 and 5 exponent negative 3. Got it? So it would be 1 exponent negative 3 and 5 exponent negative 3. So 1 exponent 3 is 1, and 5 exponent negative 3 is, you have to move it to the numerator. It would be 5 exponent 3. So you have to do 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25, and 25 times 5 is 125. Got it? So it would be 125. Got it? So the correct option is, yes, it is 125. Okay, the next one is 1 over 3 exponent negative 3. So which is the correct option? 1 over 3 exponent negative 3. So that means it would be 1 exponent negative 3 divided by 3 exponent negative 3. So 1 exponent negative 3 is 1. Just make this exponent positive by shifting it from denominator to numerator. So it would be then 3 exponent 3. So you need to do 3 times 3 times 3. Got it? 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 3 is 27. So it is 27. Got it? It would be 27. So the correct option is 27. Got it? Okay, the next one is 1 over 5 exponent. Very good. 1 over 5 exponent minus 4. That means it is 1 exponent negative 4 and 5 exponent negative 4. Got it? Just make the exponent positive. It would be 1 over 5 exponent negative 4. That would be 5 exponent 4. You need to do 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 5 is 25. And 25 times 25 is 625. Very good. That is 625. Got it? So the correct option is 625. Okay, the next one is 1 over 6 exponent negative 3. It would be 1 exponent negative 3 and 6 exponent negative 3. 1 exponent negative 3 is 1, and here you have 6 exponent negative 3. So move it to the denominator, it would be 6 exponent 3. Just do 6 times 6 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36, and 36 times 6 is 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 3 is 18, 19, 20, 21. So it would be 216. Got it? That means the correct option is 216. Very good. So it would be 216. Got it? Okay, the next one is 1 over 6 exponent negative 4. 1 over 6 exponent negative 4. That would be 1 exponent negative 4 and 6 exponent negative 4. So 1 exponent negative 4 is 1. Just make it this exponent positive. It would be 6 exponent 4. So you need to do 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. That would be 216. Let's just do 216 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 9, 6 times 2 is 12. It would be 1296. Got it? 6 exponent 4 is 1296. That would be option number 1. Got it? Okay, 1 over 10 exponent negative 1. So which is the correct option, 10 or 20? 1 over 10 exponent negative 1. It would be 1 exponent negative 1. 10 exponent negative 1. It would be 1 over 10 exponent negative 1. Just move this 10 exponent 1 to numerator and make it positive. So it would be 10 exponent 1, and 10 exponent 1 is 10. Got it? So the correct option is 10. Okay, the next one is 1 over 3 exponent negative 4. So it would be then 1 exponent negative 4 and 3 exponent negative 4. So 1 exponent negative 4 is 1, and 3 exponent negative 4 is 3 exponent negative 4. Make the 3 exponent positive. It would be 3 times 4, 3 exponent 4. Let's just do 3 times 3 times 3. That would be 81. Yes, the correct option is 81. Okay, 1 over 10 exponent negative 4. So which is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2? Which is the correct option? That means you need to multiply 10 4 times, 10 times, 10 times, 10 times 10. That would be, yes, that very good. That would be 10,000. So the correct option is 10,000. Okay, then next one is 1 over 6 exponent negative 2. So which is the correct option? Six exponent 2 is, very good. That would be 36. So the correct option is 36. Okay, 1 over 5 exponent negative 2. So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Yes, very good. That would be 25. So the correct option is 25. 8 times 8 is 64. And yes, that would be 512. So the correct option is 512. Got it? Okay, we are done with the test. Let's just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is the final test of the chapter. So you have to do the final test of the chapter on your own because we can't see the final test until we have to complete with the status of all the lessons would be completed. Like here, some of them is in progress. That means I haven't completed these tests. You have to complete it. Got it? And then you have to do the final test of the chapter on your own. Some of them are completed, but not all. Got it? So we're going to start with a new chapter. And the chapter we're going to start with is fractions and mixed numbers. Yes, here it is, fractions and mixed numbers. I'm going to start with the very first lesson, that is write fractions in lowest terms. Got it? So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, write 2 by 4 in lowest term. So how do we write the lowest term? Basically, the lowest terms mean you have to look for a common number that can divide both numerator and denominator. Got it? Like the first one is 2 over 4. Find the largest number that divides both the numerator and denominator. The largest number that can divide both 2 and 4 is 2. Got it? So divide both of them by 2. So when you divide them both by 2, it would be 1 over 2. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. Evangeline, sorry for what? Write 2 by 6 in lowest term. So you have to write it by lowest term. So think of a number, think of the greatest number that can divide both numerator and denominator. Yes, we have, that is 2. So let's just divide them by 2. So 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 3 is 6. So it would be 1 over 3. Got it? So the correct option is 1 over 3. Okay, the next one is write 6 by 9 in the lowest form. So how do we write 6 by 9 as lowest form? Which is the greatest number that can divide both numerator and denominator? That would be 3. Got it? So 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 times 3 is 9. So that would be 2 over 3. Got it? Yes, very good. That would be 2/3. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, write 1 by 2 in the lowest form. So which is the correct option? One over 2 is already in the lowest form. Got it? So that would be 1 over 2. Got it? That is already in the lowest form. Write 2 by 4 in lowest terms. So how do you write 2 by 4 in lowest term? The greatest number that can divide 2 by 4 is 2. Just divide them by 2. It would be 1 over 2. Got it? So the correct option is 1 over 2. Okay, the next one is write 3 by 9 in the lowest term. So which is the correct option? Which is the greatest number that can divide 3 by 9? You can divide them by 3. Got it? So yes, 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 3 is 9. So it would be 1 over 3. Got it? Okay, write 3 by 6 in lowest term. So which is the correct option? You can divide them by 3. Yes, very good. That would be 1 over 2. Okay, write 2 by 10 in lowest terms. So which is the correct option? Yes, very good. That would be 1 by 5. You can divide them by 2. The greatest number that can divide them is 2. Okay, write 4 by 10 in lowest term. So which is the correct option? Yes, you can divide them by 2. So when you convert them to the lowest form, it is 2 by 5, 2 by 7. Oh, that would be 2 over 5. Yes, not 2 by 7. So it would be 2 over 5. Okay, write 4 by 8 in lowest term. So which is the correct option? You have to divide the greatest number you can divide them by is 4. Got it? So it would be 1 over 8. 4 times 1 over 2. 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 times 2 is 8. It would be 1 over 2. Okay, write 4 by 6 in lowest terms. So which is the correct option? You can divide them by 2. Got it? It would be very good. That would be 2 over 3. Write 1 over 3 in the lowest terms. So which is the correct option? Yes, 1 over 3 is already in the lowest form. So the correct option is 1 over 3. Write 3 by 10 in the lowest terms. So which is the correct option? 3 over 10 is already in the lowest form. Got it? It would be 3 over 10. Okay, write 7 by 8 in the lowest terms. So which is the correct option? Yes, 7 by 8 is already in the lowest form. Very good. So the correct option is 7 over 8. Okay, write 4 by 5 in the lowest terms. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is already in the lowest form. That would be 4 over 5. Got it? Okay, write 2 by 8 in the lowest terms. So which is the correct option? Yes, you can divide them by 2. So it would be 1 over 4. Got it? Okay, write 1 over 10 in the lowest form. So which is the correct option? 1 over 10 is already in the lowest form. Got it? So it would be 1 over 10. Okay, write 5 by 10 in lowest terms. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 1 over 2. Got it? You can divide them by 2. So it would be 1 over 2. Okay, write 1 by 8 in the lowest term. So which is the lowest term? 1 over 8 is already in the lowest term. Got it? Okay, write 8 by 10 in the lowest form. So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 4 over 5. Got it? You can divide them by 2. 2 is the greatest number that can divide 8 over 10. Right, 6 by 10 in the lowest term. So which is the correct option? That would be 3 over 5. Got it? You can divide them by 2. Okay, write 1 by 4 in the lowest term. So which is the correct option? Yes, 1 over 4. It is already in the lowest term. Got it? Write 3 by 4 in the lowest terms, which is the correct option. Yes, 3 by 4 is already in the lowest term. Got it? So it would be 3 over 4. Write 8 by 9 in the lowest terms, which is the correct option. Yes, it is 8 over 9. It is already in the lowest form. Got it? Write 4 by 9 in the lowest term. That is 4 over 9. Got it? It is already in the lowest form. Got it? 4 by 9 is the correct option. Write 3 by 8 in the lowest terms. Yes, 3 by 8 is already in the lowest form. Got it? Okay, write 1 by 6 in the lowest form. 1 by 6 is already in the lowest terms. Got it? Okay, write 2 by 6 in the lowest terms. It would be 1 over 3. You can divide them by 2. Got it? Okay, write 2 by 9 in the lowest term. That would be already in the lowest form. Got it? You don't have any number that can divide both. Write 5 by 8 in the lowest terms. So it is, yes, it would be 5 over 8. Got it? It is already in the lowest term. Okay, write 1 by 5 in the lowest form. So 1 over 5 is already in the lowest form. Got it? Okay, we are done with the test. So we're working on grade 6 maths. We're working on the chapter exponents and square roots. The lessons we have covered today are write multiplication expressions using exponents, advanced exponents, and we've started the new chapter that is fractions and mixed numbers. And the lessons we have covered are write fractions in lowest terms. Got it? So we have covered, these are the lessons we have covered today. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So if you have any question, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions. So if you have any question, you can ask. Yes, we almost have 600 subscribers. You have any question? No, okay, that's all for today. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So see you in the next session. Bye everyone.